Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope that you all are fine and stay happy at your home. So yeah, this is somehow the most requesting video. You all guys were just asking about this. Did you remember recently I have uploaded a cake tutorial. So in this video I'm using condensed milk instead of sugar. So mostly required or mostly requesting video was asking by you all is condensed milk recipe. So yeah, it's here. So yeah, today I'm using all those utensils which are already kept in our home. So start by adding 1 glass milk. Yeah, 1 glass milk, and we have to reduce it until it becomes half a glass. Okay, so look at this. As you can already see that my fry pan was fully filled with milk, but now a time it reduces and getting less in amount or ratio. So the ratio is when you are using 1 glass of milk, then you must have to add half a cup of sugar. And if you are using 2 glass of milk, then you have to use 1 cup sugar. So remember this ratio every time when you make this. Remember, every time you make this recipe, you have to keep on low flame. You have to cook this on low flame basically, otherwise it burnt. So yeah, recently I have baked a cake. Maybe it's vanilla, and I have uploaded this video on my YouTube channel, plus my Instagram ID. Mostly asked question is how to make condensed milk. So yeah, on that video, I'm just asking you guys that tell me if you want this condensed milk recipe. So yeah, it's here. Somehow I just think to upload this video. Of course, also